Hello, we're gonna make a little fish today. You guys are welcome to use any kind of air dry clay. I am using Crayola Model Magic air dry clay. If your clay dry, you always can add some water to soften up the clay. But don't add too much. If you add too much water, the clay will melt into like a mud that will not be able to walk on or very sticky. First, we're gonna make a teardrop shape like what you seen on the video. So the white bottle holding is the water. Every time I gave it a 1 drop to the clay so I can soften up the clay. Then we're gonna make a tail. First, start with the ball and then make a little triangles. Then you stick on the small side of that teardrop shape. Then use scissor to make this kind of a texture. And then you can think of the new color, your color, to make the fin on the top of the fish. I decided to use yellow. So I always measured the size of the top fins. Is it too long or too small? So if I measure that it's the right size, then I will just put it on, and then I use scissor to make the texture, the thin texture. Then I use the off-white color to make the white part of the eyes. Then I use the white clay to roll it into a snake shape, and then use the scissor cut 2 little balls out. This ball is gonna be the fish eyes. If the ball is look differently, different size, then the fish eye is gonna look different size. So I would like the fish eyeball look the same size on both sides of the fish. So I will measure it before I put it on. Here is the package of the air dry clay, and I will decided to use green color for the middle of the eye. So I use a little bit blue to mix with yellow. So I make greens. If you put more blue, the green will darker. If you put less blue, your green will lighter. And if you don't have any clay tool, I was using a mechanical pencil to poke 2 holes on the eyeball on the middle of the white part. Then I put the green color. Then you see that smile face was molded with a paper clip. Now it's time to make the fin for both sides. I decided to use pink colors. If you don't know how to mix these colors, I have other video teach you to mix all different kind of colors. All you need is the primary color and white. To make the fin for both sides, also need to measure the same size. 2 same size balls before you making the shape and the texture. Now it's time to think of the decoration on the body of the fish. I was decided to put some white polka dot on it. You are welcome to put it on or not. So now I make the white snake shape. Then I cut it into a lot of small pieces. Then roll it into a ball. Then you just stick on it. Now the fish is done. Do you guys like it? I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you have questions. I also use the black Sharpie or little black marker pens to put a little dark color for the eyeball. This is the next project picture. We're gonna make a little dragon. If you like this video, please hit the like button or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!